Hi. Today I was just talking with some of my friends, and our topic just popped up in between us. This often happens, and this is very common with us, that we often blame others for something bad that has happened, and we never miss the opportunity to appreciate ourselves if something good happens to us. So ridiculous, right? But I want to talk about this thing, this blaming and all, because yes, I have come across a lot of people, a lot of friends, colleagues, and so many people, who actually uh, even blame their parents also, because why their parents did not teach that, did not do like this, do like that, and whatnot. But okay, they might be true at some point. They might be wrong also, but then it is their life, and they're left with their choices, their own choices. But what I feel is, and what I want to suggest to people, who keeps blaming to whatever for whatever, uh, let's learn to forgive. Forgiveness is a very spiritual aspect that we are actually missing in today's age. you know uh, One of my friend, he was actually blaming his parents that he was born and brought up in the wrong way, because of which he went into depression and something like that. Okay, I understand. uh, Maybe that is true, what I have seen in his life. But then why why is he blaming the parents? They have tried at their level best. Maybe their parents got that much experience from the life, whatever they could collect. They are giving something better to his child, or his or her child. But then we should not blame them. And even if it is their fault, I'm not only talking about parents, elders, I'm talking about everyone around us. We should not blame them. Okay, it's okay that it may be their fault. We understood that it's their fault. That is a big thing. And now it's time to forgive them. Because if we are not forgiving them, then we are not losing that guilt, or that resentment, or that anger. We are not able to release this kind of negativity from our mind, and that is actually affecting us. So the moment we release this kind of thoughts is when we forgive such people. And forgiveness does not happen without your will to forgive. So if you are willing to forgive, only then are you willing to advance to another stage of self-development. And forgiveness is really a great feeling when you truly do that with someone with whom you had a problem. You will start to feel the change after few days. Try that and let me know. Thank you.